Hello. Oh, these bits are going to be really annoying. So we actually have a new setup, and I've just realised that you can definitely see. Oh no. Oh, my battery's dying. What can I do? What can I do to stop my battery dying? There's a really simple solution to this, and that's plug it in. But I have my ring light on and these little lights on. How long is my phone? I'm gonna go see if my dad has a portable charger. Portable charger. Plug you in. I'm looking at the wrong side because usually I have the camera at this side and I put the camera at this side and it's confusing. Oh, you fell. Was I this close before? Perhaps not. So now that we're all settled and I have my batch pack and the door's closed and there is nothing else that could stop me making this video right now, we are going to get into the video. Never ever showed you guys how to put lashes on, so we're going to do that today with some help from Shein. So the video is not sponsored, but they did send me some items to try, so I'm super excited to try these items and show you how well they work. Yeah, so we have lashes, lash glue, little eyelash curler set, which I'm gonna open because I really need a new eyelash curler. It's like the bread of my mind. And then we will get into it and I'll show you how it all works and how to put lashes on for beginners. Yeah. I forgot mascara. We're just gonna use this one. I have a mascara here. Okay. So I need to open this. Cue 20 minutes of Kim not being able to open packaging. I found it. This, I wanted one of these for ages. It's like separates your lashes. Probably going to poke my eye out with that. Your first step of this, which is decide what lashes we're going to use. So we have a lot of options. I'm going to take, I don't want to take them all out of packaging because I kind of want to do a giveaway since it's nearly Christmas. So I think I'm going to give away these. I'm going to open these. I'm going to open it. Ooh. There's some pretty gold paper in the back. Oh. Wait, I don't need these anymore. So I brought these over, like little eyelash things. I don't need those because they sent me some pink ones. Oh, I'm excited now. Did it say on the back that it comes with them? It does. It says they are. Okay. I didn't read the packaging. Everything's so pink and aesthetic. No. Look. These ones are pink on the end and these have butterflies. The only sad thing about that is I think the butterflies are on the underneath of those lashes, but I guess when your eyes are open you'll be able to see them. They're literally in the edge of great colours too. Does this mean I need to do an edge of grey inspired makeup look and use these lashes? I think I do. I think I really do. How am I so blind? I didn't even look at them. My voice changes to this because I get awkward. I think I'm going to use these ones. They're slightly more natural. They're really soft. I don't have any actual tweezers, so I'm going to carefully peel them off. If you have tweezers, it might be a little bit easier. And then I'm going to take the little tweezery things. These are so fluffy. I'm going to hold it against my eyelash and I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to hold it to where I want it and then look, and I need to cut like this much off. So we're gonna do that. Just chop it away. But I like to save these bits because I like to add them on if I want a fluffier lash. Okay, so then we're gonna measure it up again, make sure it fits the eye. I'm gonna do the same with the other one, and then line it up, and again just measure it and chop. Okay, so we're gonna curl my lashes. We're going to curl my lashes. I'm going to curl my lashes using the eyelash curler they provided. I always start with this eye. I don't know why, I just do. So we're not going to use the separator because I don't usually use one. Now we're going to apply mascara. Ew. So we're gonna use the black one because we're gonna go for a little bit of a wing look. Look at her! How cute is that? Stop. Apply as you would your standard eyeliner. Right, okay, so let's do a little... You guys cannot even see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to wipe off any excess on the edges. Okay, so it says apply 2 coats, so that's 1 coat. Can you imagine just if this works and I'm like, all I have to do my lashes is my liner. But we'll wait a couple of seconds. I don't know if I've waited long enough. I like to grab it on the outer corner and then look down and place. It's like stuck straight away. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's do the other eye. Letting it dry, I grab my lash. I always find it more difficult to do this lash, so bumpy. Okay, right, and then this eye, I literally just adjust my fingers. So these are the same lash, but because I have a lazy eye, which is this one, this eye droops more. So no matter what pair of lashes I put on, this eye always looks like really cat eye, and this eye always looks really round because it's quite like, you know what I mean? So it's nothing to do with the lashes, that is just me. You can see it on any of my TikToks, all my lashes look different. These are the same lashes, I've obviously just got them out of the box. But look how cute they are. That's just an irritation of mine that I did not stick on properly. Let's try it on the hand. Okay. So, should we try the clear one on the hand? Okay, so we're gonna draw a line on the back of my hand. But that's already nearly dry. You can see me applying a lash, right? This one, 1 second. 1 second. I was like, wait, why is it not working? You didn't shake it, Kim. Okay. I just broke one of the lashes by pulling too hard on the lash. But on the bright side, it's a really cute individual lash though. I mean, honest opinion, I prefer the black one to the clear one. Okay, wait, let me show you. Okay, so the first one I did, I stuck it on the wrong line of glue because I'm an idiot. Like, this was the line of glue. Can you see it here? It's still a bit sticky. This was the line of glue I did that I didn't shake, but this is the line of glue I did that I did shake. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's literally pulling my skin. Can you see? Can you see that? Like, that's my skin. The black one. Okay, so now I have 2 lashes stuck to my hand. These are really good. I prefer the black one to the clear one, just because I do like liner, but if you don't like liner, then the clear one's really great. The black one could get really messy because I'm a messy human, so I probably will have to use the clear one. The liner still looks good, and it's not, like, it's still a little bit sticky, but it's not overly sticky to the point where my lids are sticking together. Okay, so I'm really happy with this. I feel like I don't even have any eyelash glue on, which sometimes I can get irritated by eyelash glue. It's really sticky, and then when I try and take it off, it leaves my eyes a little bit red. This feels fine. It's really nice. They did say that it is alcohol free, so that could be why that's a thing. It's sweat proof and waterproof, and I can see different. Should we test it? I mean, these lashes aren't going anywhere. Should I just throw some water? Let's throw some water on my face. I want to show you that, like, this is an honest opinion. Like, you saw my face. I was shocked when I saw these, like, the way it just stuck to my eye. That was, what? I still have lashes stuck to my fingers. So, these aren't fingers, these are hands. I can't test the sweat because I do not plan on doing exercise. Like, I'm not, no. But let's test water. We can do that. I have some water. That is water. Can you see that? That is water. I have a cotton bud. And I am going to... Oh look, I've been crying my eyes out. I do this every day. Crying. And then we're gonna just put it all over. That's not affecting it. Let's see if my beautiful eyeliner holds up. If it was only like, I'm British, so for me it's pounds, but I think it's $3.50. I was gonna throw the water on my face, but I'm not going to do that because I like this cardigan and I like my hair today. Probably going to be showing up in a lot of my new TikToks and YouTube videos, and I'll probably I would repurchase this again. Genuinely, I don't repurchase a lot of things, but this I would repurchase. Like, it's really good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll leave the link to the products here, if I can find the links to the eyelashes, down below, so that you can buy your own if you'd like to. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and go check out this lash glue. I feel like this sounds like an ad, but it's really not. It's not sponsored. They just sent me the products for an honest review, and this is my honest review. It works really well. I cannot feel this glue on my eyes. And I have a really cute eyeliner day without having to do eyeliner and glue. What more could you ask for? Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you. I wish I was joking. Look. Look. Can you even see that? Look at how bad my skin looks. That's disgusting. Let's not do that again.